Hello, hello. How is everybody doing today? Everybody healthy? Hopefully everybody's healthy. I'm going to do a little demonstration for y'all today, and let me turn some light on here. It's kind of dark. And I guess what I'm going to talk about is the power of thieves. Now, you all know that I've swapped out all of my cleaning products and all of my beauty products for all natural products that I make myself using Young Living essential oils, or all my cleaners using this little 14-ounce bottle of Thieves household cleaner. Now, for those of you that don't know what Thieves is, Thieves contains lemon, clove, cinnamon, rosemary, and eucalyptus oil, eucalyptus radiata. And they all have purifying, cleansing properties and bacteria killing properties. Okay, so combined, they're very powerful. And they're all from plants. Everything Young Living provides is plant-based. It's not animal, anything from animals. It's all natural plant-based products. So this 14-ounce bottle will make up to 29 16-ounce cleaning sprays. Because all you do is you use one little capful and you dilute it with vinegar and distilled water, or just distilled water. That's all you do. Or you put a capful in a bucket of warm water, and that's what you clean your house with. This is what you clean glass with, your tub and tile with, your toilet, your sink, your floors, your wood floors, everything. And in the long run, what is it, like 75 cents a 16-ounce glass bottle? So you're saving money. Okay, you're saving money. So not only is it economical, but it works. All right. So I'm going to do a little demonstration for you. And I have a plate here. And I'm going to use a Sharpie. And I'm going to write all over my plate with a Sharpie. Now, you've seen people use these permanent markers on coffee mugs, and it pretty much is permanent. Okay, so I was under the sink cleaning, and I found this because I used to use this on my glass, my windows, and it worked very well. All right, I swore by it. It worked better than Windex. Foams up, smells good, very strong. I just used this to test out my experiment in the kitchen just like 10 minutes ago, and now my nose is full because my body is not used to smelling any of it. I don't use any of the synthetic products anymore. And just that one squirt, my nose filled up and I had to blow my nose, seriously. And I sneezed. Contains no ammonia, but immediately flush eyes with plenty of water for at least 15 minutes and continue rinsing. Get medical attention if irritation develops. Wash off with warm water if it gets on the skin with warm water and soap. Seek medical attention if irritation develops. Inhalation. If symptoms developed, move victim to fresh air. If symptoms persist, get medical attention. Ingestion. Rinse mouth. If ingestion of a large amount does occur, call Poison Control Center immediately. They have the 24-hour medical emergency 1-800 number right here on the, sorry, I got a call coming in. Why do people do this? On the can, all right? And it does not anywhere on here give what is inside this. No ingredients whatsoever. It just says contains no ammonia. So I don't know what I'm inhaling, and I don't know what's getting on my skin. All right. So I have the magic marker on the plate. And I'm just going to put one squirt on here. And it really stinks to me. It doesn't smell good at all. And I'm going to rub it around. And it worked very well. But I have synthetic residue on here. And it's going to smell for a long time. Anything pure and natural, organic is not going to stink like the synthetic. It's going to dissipate sooner or later in the air. Where synthetic scents hang around. That's why we buy the Gain laundry detergent, because you want that fresh smell for like weeks, you know, while it's sitting in your drawer or hanging in your closet. You want that smell that's on your dryer sheets. You want that smell in your carpet and in the air. But that smell is not doing you any favors. It's wreaking havoc in your body, okay? And it's in your body, and it cannot come out of your body. It's in your body, and you're just adding to it every time you use it. So that worked very well, right? But would I squirt this in my mouth? Would I squirt this in my mouth right now? What would happen if I squirted this in my mouth? Not good. Okay, not good. So let's do the same experiment. And this is permanent marker. This is a Sharpie marker. And let's use the Thieves Essential Oil that is in the Thieves Cleaner. All of our Thieves product, their base is Thieves Essential Oil. They all have this oil in it, okay? So now let's use this. And I'm just going to use 3 drops. That's all I use, just 3 little drops. All right, and now I'm going to smear that around. And look how that's breaking that up. See how that's breaking that up? Those 3 drops. And look at the plate. Look at the plate. Okay, 3 drops of essential oil, all plant-based products. And the good thing about this is I can put it in my mouth because this supports my immune system. All right, you can take this internally. We have Thieves Vitality Oil, all right, to boost your immune system. Okay, we have Thieves Roll-On that you roll on the bottoms of your feet, or you roll up and down your spine so that it gets into your body and your bloodstream and it supports your immune system. Okay? Yeah. Big difference there. Works the same, but inhaling it or putting it in your mouth or on your skin is not going to hurt you. It's not going to hurt you. I just thought I'd share that with you. And I urge you, don't just take a couple things out. Get rid of all of it. Get rid of all of your bleach and your Lysol and your Comet and your Mr. Clean. Get rid of all of it and switch it out for Thieves. We have a Thieves starter kit if you want to get started with Young Living. You don't have to sell. You don't have to sell. You know, you just use it. That's all you do is use it. We share stuff all the time. We go see a movie and we tell all our friends, oh my God, you got to see this movie. Or we go eat at a restaurant and we tell all our friends and our family, oh my God, you got to order this off the menu. It tastes so good. Oh my God, go to this restaurant. Oh my God, go to this bar. Go see this bartender working. He or she is a riot. Oh my God, they got this drink, this fancy drink. Go there. We are constantly advertising things. Go to the Target dollar spot. You can get this for like $2, $3. We are constantly. But why is it so bad that you share something all natural that's doing your body good? What is so bad about that? That's all I'm doing here. That's all I'm doing. I am sharing with you a better way to live, a better way to clean for you and your family without poisoning everybody in your house. Okay, we have a Thieves kit. It's a starter kit. You go to my website, you click enroll, and then you can choose what kit you want. We have kits as low as $35 all the way up to like $200 some dollars, okay, depending on the diffuser that you want. If you don't want to diffuse oils, you get the Thieves Starter Kit, and it comes with all kinds of Thieves products. Seriously, that's going to last you a long time. So check it out. And like I said, I hope everybody is safe, and I hope you're doing things for yourself to keep yourself healthy. And this will all be over with soon. And if you get your stimulus check, stimulate your health, okay? Use your stimulus check to stimulate your life, all right? Start something new. Start something new. Okay,